Good morning, class. How are you all? I hope you all are fine and doing good. Be at home, be safe, don't go unnecessary outside, don't touch anything unnecessary. Sanitize yourself every time and use twice mask whenever you are going outside. Okay. So first of all, welcome to the first part of the skeletal and muscular system. Okay, so we have learned about this chapter in Google Meet classes. We have discussed about it. Okay, today we will learn about the skeletal and muscular system. Okay, so first of all, skeletal and muscular both are very important part of our body. Without this, the movement of the body is next to impossible. Okay, so first of all, see, our body is made up of various organs, right? So our body is made up of various organs. There are so many organs: eyes, nose, mouth, hands, legs, skin. Okay, these all are what? Organs. So one of the organ system is known as skeletal system. Okay, so we have various system where the one of the system is known as skeletal system. Okay, skeletal system. Okay. It consists of muscles. What are there in a skeletal system? Muscles, bones and joints. Okay, muscles, bones and joints. And we will know about the structural function in our body. So what, the skeletal system, the bones, they give the structure to our body. That gives a structure to our body. That is why this is known as a structural function, functional as well. Okay, so our body is a wonderful gift of God. God has made so many creatures. One of them is human. Human is a very wonderful gift of God. Okay, and the body of the human is a wonderful gift of God because we can walk, eat and do everything, right? It's just like a machine. Our body is like a machine, and it has many parts. Like the machine has many parts. Have you seen the car? Or for example, this screen. This is a machine. So here is some wires are there. In this, some wires are there. Software systems are there. So many parts are there. So like that only human beings are also just like a machine. Okay, and we have so many parts. The different parts are called the organs. So the different parts of our body are called organs, right? Hand, leg, mouth, stomach. Okay, these all are what? All organs. So lungs, heart, kidney, stomach and brain are some of the important internal organs. So lungs, heart, kidney, stomach and brain, these are what? These are important internal organ. Internal organ means which is inside our body, which we can't see. Okay, which we can't see. We can see it, but not all the time, right? It's inside our body. Lungs, heart, kidney, stomach and brain are the some important internal organ, means it is inside our body. To keep our body fit and active, this organ have to work like a team. Every organ, lungs, heart, kidney, stomach and brain, every organ need to work like a team. You know why? Because if our heart will not work, will not be alive. Doesn't matter our stomach is working, our lungs is working, our brain is working, but if our heart stop working, or if our heart get damaged, will not be alive, or this all organ will not work properly. If our brain will not work properly, this all organ will also not work properly. So these all are what? These all are interlinked. These all are interlinked and interdependent. Okay, and all the organs are important and all the organs work like a team. A group of organs work together to make up an organ system. There is a group of organs. For example, when I tell about when we talk about the digestive system. Okay, digestive system. In our digestive system, we have so many organs. Just start from the mouth. We have teeth. Okay, teeth is also work. We have esophagus, means food pipe. Okay, we have food pipe. We have stomach. We have small intestine. We have large intestine. These all are what? Mouth, teeth, food pipe, stomach, small intestine, large intestine, anus. These all are a different organ, but together it makes the organ system. Okay, so let us know about a skeletal and muscular system of our body. So what we will learn now? We will learn about the skeletal and muscular system of our body. Okay, see, skeletal system. The skeletal the skeleton forms the framework of the body. Our body, the framework of a body, you know, our body is straight is because of the, our body is straight because of the skeletal system, right? And it is made up of bones. These all are what? These all are bones. It is made up of bones. The skeletal systems are made up of bones, and there are 206 bones in the adult, in the in an adult body. Okay, there are 206 bones in adult body, right? And over 300 bones in a small child. Okay, newborn child has 300 of bones, right? The skeletal system also gives shape to the body. It gives shape to the body, right? For example, if you don't have legs, so how we will look? We will look like this. Okay, if you don't have if you don't have the hand bones, the bones in a hand, so what will happen? It will just move like this. ये straight ही नहीं रहेगा, ऐसे ऐसे झूलते रहेगा, right? So it gives the shape to our body and protect the internal organ as well. We have so many delicate internal organ, right? And these bones protect our internal organ. For example, we have rib cage here. We have rib cage from here to here, from here to here, okay? And this protect our heart and lungs, right? We have vertebral column. This one is vertebral column, which protects our protects our spinal cord. We have a skull, which protects our brain, right? Which protects our eyes. Our eyes is very soft organ, right? So the bones also protect the internal organ, okay? As our lungs, it stores calcium needed to repair and strengthen our bones. So what is stored? It stores calcium. And why we drink the milk? Because milk has calcium, which give the strength to our bones, okay? And make blood cells, right? Blood cells made from the bones only, the bone marrow, which is inside the bone, right? Which is inside the bone marrow. Our blood cells also made from the bone marrow. So along with muscles, the skeletal system helps our body to move. So with muscles, if there will be no muscles, we will not be able to move. हम move नहीं कर पाएंगे अगर muscles ना, because on the skeletal system means the bones are just like a stick. वो एक stick की तरह होता है जो ऐसे stand रहता है. But if there is muscle, with the muscles, it works like a team. And with muscles, we will able to move, we able to talk. I'm moving my hand, I'm talking, I'm walking because of the muscles. Along with muscles, along with muscles, we can move, we can talk. Okay. So together they are called musculoskeletal system. So together muscles and skeletal together are known as musculoskeletal system. Okay. Okay, now see, do you know birds have small hollow bones? I explained, you have learnt in class 4 also, the small hollow bones means inside the bones means if this is the bone of a bird, inside there is nothing, okay? But in the bones of animal there is bone marrow, there is yellow marrow, many things are there, right? But in birds they have a hollow bones, means inside they have nothing, and they reduce their body weight and making them light enough to fly. Because of the hollow bone they can fly, okay? Huge birds like the ostrich cannot fly as they are too heavy and cannot lift their body. Ostrich, they are very heavy, so they cannot lift their body, that's why they cannot fly, okay? Bones make up only 14% of our body's weight. So our body's total weight is 14% of our body's total weight is of bones, right? Bones makes up 14% of body's total weight. And however, they are at least 5 times stronger than the steel. Our bones is 5 times stronger than the steel. Okay. Now see. Now we will learn about the bones. What is bones? What are bones? Bones make up 14% of our total body weight. Bones have to be strong enough to support us and light enough to let us move easily. So bones makes 14% of our total body weight, means if my body weight is 56 kg means 14% is of bone. Okay, bone have to be strong enough. It needs to be strong enough to support our body, right? I'm standing, I can sit because of the bone, right? Because of the support of the body and light enough to move easily. And if it is too heavy, if the bones is too heavy, we will not able to move, because we need to means this is my hand, I need to lift it. If it will be too heavy, I can't lift. Okay, मैं इसको lift नहीं कर पाऊंगी. So it need to be light enough to move. हम move कर पाए. It need to be light enough. It need to be strong enough to support us, right? Bones are connected together by flexible tissue. So bones are connected together with a flexible tissue called ligaments, right? So there is two bones, and these two bones are connected with a tissue which is known as ligaments, right? So bones are supplied with the blood and nerves. So there are bloods and nerves, and that is how they grow as we grow older. So you know, in bones we have the supply of bones and nerves. So as we are getting old, our bones are also getting old. Okay, the long bones of the body are left. Sorry, the long bones of the body are filled with soft fatty material called bone marrow. The long bone of our body are filled with soft and fatty material are called bone marrow. You know, if a person is suffering from thalassemia, their bone marrow doesn't work. If a person is suffering from thalassemia, then their bone marrow doesn't work, because bone marrow produce the blood cells. Okay, and if bone marrow will not work, the blood cell will not produce, and the child will suffer from thalassemia. Means the blood of that child will reduce. Okay, वो क्या होता है, वो reduce हो जाता है, कम हो जाता है, सूख जाता है, and after every 2 or 3 months that child need to be take the blood. Okay, उसे blood लेना होता है, right? So because of the bone marrow only the blood cells develop. Okay, so the red blood cells of the body are made by bone marrow, right? I told you. So bones in different parts of the body differ in number. So we have different bones in different parts of our body, and their number and shapes are also different, right? For example, in skull we have so many bones, and the shape of the bones are different. In our hand we have from here to here we have, I think, 3 or 4 bones, and the shape of them are different, right? So some of them are long, like the arm and leg bones, like the arm bones and the leg bones, and some are short, like the wrist and the ankles, right? Wrist and the ankles. And you know, the smallest bones is in our ear, stapes, and the longest bone is femur, which is found in our thigh. Okay, thigh bone is known as femur, right? The longest bone of human body, and stapes are the smallest bone of human body, which is found in ear, right? So there are flat bones like those in our skull. There are some flat bones also which is found in skull, and bones in the ear are of an irregular shape. So ear bones are of irregular shape. There is no regular shape in our ear bone. Okay, now see the skull. Now we will learn about the skull. So the bones of our head make our skull. So the bones of our head, this one is make the skull, this one. Okay, the bones of our head is make the skull. Okay, so our skull is made up of 2 sets of bone, the bones of our face and the bones of that make up our forehead as well as the back of our head. So it's made up of 2 sets of bone. The first one is this one. Okay, the first one is this one, and the second one is this one, right? Means the makeup of our the bones of our faces. Okay, means the nose, eyes, the jawbone, right? The face bone. These all are what there is 2 sets. The first set is of the face, the bones of the face, and the second ones are make the forehead, this one, and the back head. Okay, our skull is made up of 22 different bones. Here we can find the 22 different bones. Okay, our skull is made up of 22 different bones, and brain is protected by 8 bones that are interlocked together. So our brain is protected by 8. Our brain is protected by 8 bones which are interlocked. Okay, clear with the bone? So clear with the skull. Our bones of our head, the bones of our head is make our skull, and skull is made up of 2 sets of bones, the bones of our face and the bones of our forehead and back head. Okay, so our skull is made up of 22 different bones. There is 22 different bones, and the 8 bones that protects our brain are interlocked together. Okay, Now see, our face is made up of 14 bones. The face, this one, is made up of 14 bones. Okay, what I told you, there is 22 bones in our skull. So 8 bones protects the brain. So 14 bones is the face is made up of 14 bones. There is 14 bones in our face. Okay, our jaw is the largest and the strongest bone of in our face, right? Our jaw, this one, jaw is the largest and the strongest bone of our face, and this is the movable. And you know, in our skull only this part can move, only this part can move. Our jaw can only move in our skull. In our skull our jaw can only move. Have experienced, we can talk, or we can eat, anything we can do. This part only move. See, okay, look at me, nothing is moving, just this part is moving, right? My jaw is moving, so only jaw can move, and it is only movable bone in the skull. I told you in our skull jaw can only move, right? So it holds our lower teeth in the place, and we can move it to chew our food and to speak, right? What it hold? It hold our lower teeth, this teeth. We have 2 sets of teeth, upper one and the lower one. The lower set, it holds our lower teeth in the place, and we can move and we can chew it, we can talk it because of the jawbone, right? In our face, again I'm telling, in our faces are made up of 14 bones. Our jawbone is the largest and the strongest bone in our face. It is the only movable bone in the skull, and it holds our lower teeth in place, and we can move it to chew our food and to speak, right? Now nose does not have a bone, that is why we can bend our nose. So here is no bone, यहाँ पे कोई bone नहीं होता, that's why we can bend our nose. Instead it is made up of a strong elastic tissue. It is made up of strong elastic tissue, right? These are the tissue, and which is flexible and called cartilage. This tissue, these are nothing but a tissue known as cartilage. Okay, these are nothing but the tissue known as cartilage. Means our nose does not have any bone, that is why we can bend our nose, and instead of it is made up of any strong it is made up of a strong elastic tissue which is known as cartilage, and which is very flexible. Okay, okay. Now see spine and backbone. Okay, spine and backbone, this one, okay, start from here to here, right? This one, the spine is also known as the backbone, this one, right? The spine is also known as the backbone, right? The backbone. We twist and turns with the help of our backbone. We can twist, right? I can twist, I can bend, I can stretch my body because of the backbone, right? Its special S-shape help us to prevent shocks and jerks to our head when we walk or run. So it is made up of, so the shape of this is S, which helps to prevent shocks whenever we get the shocks or whenever we get the jerk, right? So, and while walking, while running, right, it protects us, right? It prevents us. And the main function of the spine is to protect our spinal cord, right? There is spinal cord inside the backbone, or inside the backbone, or inside the spine. There is spinal cord, right? Main work is this, to protect the spinal cord. The spine is made up of 33 small bones called vertebrae. Okay, so there is 33 small bones. This whole is made up of 33 small bones, which is called vertebral. That is why it is called the vertebral column. The other name of this is vertebral column. Okay, the other name of the backbone is vertebral column, because it is made up of 33 small bones, which is called vertebral. Okay, so it is known as a vertebral column, right? Okay, so these are ring-like in shape and shown in the picture. See, it's looking like a ring. It's looking like a ring. Okay, these are ring-like shape, right? So what we have learnt about this spine or backbone, it is also known as backbone and vertebral column, and we twist and turn with the help of our backbone. The special S-shape helps to prevent shocks and jerks to our body and head when we walk or run, right? Whenever we walk, whenever we run, it just support, or it just prevent our prevent a head. Okay, the main function of the spine is to protect the spinal cord, and the spine is made up of 33 small bones called the vertebrae, and these are ring like in shape as shown in the picture. Okay. Okay, so in today's video we'll learn about this much only. In next video we'll learn about the rib cage. Okay, this much for today. Be at home, be safe, don't go unnecessary outside. Please follow all the protocols for COVID-19. Bye bye for today.